Yes, I'm going to do that.
All right, we
got one.
We got one, man. You know, it's been a tough hunt, tough week. Super pumped. It's not the biggest bull, but it's definitely a mature bull. You know, we had him at 20 yards. Yep. We couldn't quite get him to commit with the bow, but wow, we got meat on the table. We got a kill. That's what it's about, guys. Awesome.
Awesome.
Second last day, guys. We tried our best with the bow. It's okay. You know, at some point we had this one at 20 yards. We kind of gave up on him. He was facing us. We ended up getting the rifle. I mean, at the end of the day, it is about getting the meat and getting a successful hunt. And it's a pretty good mature bull. We're happy. Oliver, there's my hunting partner right there. This one's for our good friend Marky. He passed away unexpectedly this year, and we miss him. We love him. There he is, and that one's for him. Nice. There you go. All right, we got a lot of work to do before this food hits the fire tonight. So let's get at her.
Yeah, that one's a bit harder.
Okay, we got another bull coming in. We just actually shot a bull. And he's actually coming down the same trail. Another bull. That's pretty cool. We just literally dropped the bull, cleaning it. We got a fire going, and he came right down the same trail that the other one was coming down. So he came down grunting. We heard him. But Yukon hunting, heart of the rut, hunt fish maniac. It's better too. We got a butcher lined up. We just a butcher at the house. So we do it in the driveway right when we get back. Hey guys, just got done our annual moose hunt up in the Yukon. Didn't get that bow shot like we thought. Had it super close. Ended up taking a bull the second last day just to make sure we got some meat. Definitely the most important thing about hunting in my opinion. And you know what? Thanks for watching. Tune in next week. We got lots of stuff coming up. Hunt Fish Maniac. We'll see you next time. Okay, I've got a bull coming in right now. He's hot. He's grunting pretty good. I'm gonna just lay on him. Cow calls. Oh. He's going to try to do is he's going to try and come out, hook around me and win me. Just a little scraping. He's raking up and he's circling around. He's going to try and win me. folks. That, my friend, something in the Yukon. We're going to pass on that bull because we're already tagged out. Give you a little treat of Moose Calling 101.